So nature journaling is using art and capturing your noticings in nature in different art forms to learn, to notice more, to ask questions, to be curious, to learn about the places that we move through and spend so much time in. So art can be a great tool to help us slow down and notice what is really happening around us and how things connect together, whether that's flora and fauna connecting or different birds talking to each other. Journaling is a great way to help us notice those smaller things, the magic of nature.